Good morning. What I have here for us this morning is a Salton can opener. But as you can see, it's a can opener and it's a knife sharpener and a scissor sharpener. But I just want to make us see how these things work. Maybe just open in the back and see that everyone can see, knows how the inside working is. Firstly, there's a little magnet here. But first you can see there's a magnet inside, a little metal, and so when you're finished, the lid stays behind and then you can remove it. And then there's a little tension plate just for to put some right tension in it. I don't know what's the reason for that, but okay, let's just start first by putting, I've got an old dog food can here. Let's just first plug this in. And then so that we can press it and then we can see what's going on here. So now it goes in. So now what's happening when you finish? This metal can is supposed to sit here, supposed to stick there, but it fell off, so whatever, this is not the job of it. Okay, one nice thing, it is relatively nice edge, so it's not sharp, so it won't cut you. So now you have something to make a project with or something. Okay, the next thing is, I think you can clean this thing also. You can supposed to take it off, but I don't see anything here. Yeah, there you can take it off and wash it. You can put it in your washing machine or something. Okay, let's see how the knife sharpener is working. There's two edges here. I think the one is this little what do you call it, like little wheel here. And then there's two angles, or you can put one side and another side, and here is for a very sharp angle. This is for scissors that has a very sharp angle. Okay, now let's check what's happening here with a knife. This knife is relatively blunt. Since it runs like this, I guess you have to put this from this side. It's not very strong. If you can see, it started to make a mark there. So I must say, it looks like if it will help make it a little bit sharper. Okay, and then the scissor. This is a very old scissor. Then you go from this side. That looks okay, but I think that as long as the abrasive wheel gets old, then you can have a problem. Make sharp. Okay, let's open this thing and let's show you how this thing works inside. Always interesting to know how stuff works. I have a little bit of a frog in my throat this morning. So obviously it must be also have some type of a reduction gearbox. Just to make that little wheel strong to open the lid. So now you can see how this works. Here is a normal induction motor. Sorry, and then you see they attach the abrasive wheel just on the back side of it. And on the other side, there is the gear in front. And then it's just a reduction gear, and there's the other gear. And there's your switch. Let's plug it in and show you how it goes. Okay, if you press this button, you can see here's your induction motor. It's the same motor more or less that's in the back of your microwave oven, just to cool off, suck some air in or blow air out in the back. It's the same type of induction motor. There's just a coil there and your rotor, and this little brass things is this laminated plates. This causes a direction issue, that your motor starts in a certain direction, otherwise it won't start. Okay, so this makes it stronger for this wheel to be able to open your lid. So this is interesting. This is how a can opener works inside. Okay, you just plug it out, and we can then there's a little cavity where you can put the wire in there and close it again, and then close the switch, and let's put this back here. You take it out, yeah. That's it. That is a Salton can opener, knife and scissor opener. Now we all know how this device looks inside and work. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Till next time, cheers.